2018 is coming in. We're bringing it in. It's been one hell of a year for a lot of people I know, for the world. So I wanted to bring in the new year with the tutorial. I wanted to make it super simple. No liner, no lashes. Just play around with it. I love glam, I love glitter, I love glitz, so this is what I came up with. But play with whatever you have. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a long time coming, but thanks for your patience. I'm back and ready to go. Enjoy. Alright guys, getting right into it. I'm going to start with my brows. I'm brushing them out and down to reveal where my hairs are more sparse. I'm going in with this Trestique mini brow pencil that I got in my Ipsy bag. It's got an angled tip to it, which I like. It creates more of a feathered look. And I'm just filling in where I have less hair and using my spoolie to blend out as I go. So I'm not adding too much product onto the brows. After I'm done with my brows, I like to conceal underneath just to kind of clean everything up. I get messy sometimes with blending out my product, that I just like to clean it up with some concealer, make it look sharp. Before I start the shadow, I'm going to line my upper waterline and my lower waterline with the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner, which I also got in my Ipsy bag, and it has impressed me. I really like it. Now I'm taking a flat, fluffy shader brush and I'm going to blend out the liner that I added on my lower lash line. I'm just going to work that product around. Then using that same Smashbox liner, I'm going to add just a little bit to the outer corner of the lid, and then that same fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend and work the product around all over the lid, trying to avoid going into the crease line, just kind of keeping it on the lid. And as you can see, I continuously go back to that corner and work it in because I want the outer to be the darker area. And I use the Smashbox liner kind of as a base for my shadow, so it didn't budge at all. And I'm taking another flat, fluffy brush, and I'm going into the Too Faced Natural Love palette, and I'm picking up the shade Smokin. It's like a gunmetal goldish type of color, and I really like it. It's the first time I ever used it, and I really was impressed by it. I'm just going to add that all over the lid. Then I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush with no product on it, and I'm just going to work that into the crease to kind of blend out the shadows, give it like more of a seamless look. I wanted to add a little bit more glitter, make it shimmer a little bit more, so I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Glitter Brilliance Loose Glitter Pigment in the shade Bronze. And I don't want it to cover the shadow that I had already put on, so I'm not going to use a glitter glue, and I want to add too much glitter, but I just want to lightly place it on there. To clean up the under eye and blend it out a little bit more, I am going in with just like a nude brown. Picking up Fairy Tale from the Natural Love palette, I'm going to pack that into the inner corner. Once my shadow is done, I'm just curling my lashes. Curling lashes has changed my life. I never curled my lashes before like 2 weeks ago. I was always like so scared of the contraption, but I got used to it and it's worked wonders for me. Look at that. Look how curly they are. I love them. I personally don't really have a preference for mascaras,
So right now I picked up the Volumnious Lash Paradise mascara from Loreal. It works. Before moving on to the face, I'm just wiping away a bunch of the glitter that kind of fell off since I didn't use the glitter glue. And then I'm going to go in with a primer. This one is the Maybelline Master Primer, a Blur and Illuminate, because my face is extremely dry. So I like to make it look as dewy as possible. And this is a really good primer. I do recommend this primer. It makes all my face products stay on all day. And it really adds a beautiful glow to the face. You can see, especially if you're dry, I would definitely recommend this. For foundation, I am shaking up the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth, and my shade's 110 Porcelain, the lightest because I'm pale as hell. And I am mixing in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow Face Highlighter in the shade Perla. And I am applying that onto my face with a foundation brush so that my beauty blender doesn't use a lot of the product, because yes, beauty blenders do soak up a lot of the product. So I'm doing that first, and then I'm going to blend it all out with my beauty blender. I'm avoiding the under eye area and my forehead area because those will be covered with more product later on. I just feel it's not necessary to add product after product after product, add layer after layer of product. So I try to keep that empty. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15 Fair, and that's just a little bit too light for me, so I'm using this Hey Honey concealer that I got in my Ipsy bag. And this is a normal to dry natural tone concealer, and I really like this concealer. When blending out my concealer, I try not to put as much product into the actual under eye creases, because I feel like more product into the creases there are, the more it'll absorb in the crease and you'll see the crease. 9 times out of 10, I skip even setting my under eye because it is so dry that it pretty much just stays for me. But if you're looking for a setting powder that isn't crazy expensive, Airspun. It is like $6 at the drugstore, and it works really, really well. So I love to glow, so I'm going back in with the Anastasia Liquid Glow highlighter, and I'm applying that to the tops of my cheekbones and the sides of my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, anywhere where light naturally hits your face. Because my face is really dry, I'm in love with cream contour, so I'm going in with an Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour palette, and I'm just applying that right under my cheekbone and around my forehead, and using excess product without picking up more product. I'm going to add that to the sides of my nose, anywhere where shadow would be on your face. I like to use this stippling brush from Real Techniques to blend out my cream contour, because I feel like it gives it more of like an airbrushed look, because the bristles are farther apart and thinner at the ends, so I just feel like it blends it out a little bit better. I'm just kind of pressing the product in and moving the product up. When you're blending out cream contour, always try to blend the cream contour up. For more highlight, don't judge me, I love to glow, I'm going in with the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Perfector highlighter in Moonstone. And again, applying that everywhere where I kind of applied the Anastasia glow.
This setting spray is amazing. Keeps it like looking fresh and like dewy. Looking like a snack.
So I'm going with the NYX Cosmetics Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. I personally feel like it works just as good as the Anastasia. I don't know. And it's cheaper. I don't know.
These Kat Von D liquid lipsticks are so amazing. They're so comfortable and they do not go anywhere. The liquid lipsticks, they're like dry, they cake. I'll put on like a lip balm or something before, just to keep it comfortable all throughout the day. I put Carmex on right before I did this video, so I'm pretty straight. Carmex is my shit. Sponsor me, Carmex.
I'm such a clown. Alright, for the lips, I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Lip Liner in the shade, I don't know because it's not in front of me, Hot Red. And I'm going to start lining and filling in my lips.
I love this song.
I like to line my lips completely before I go in with any sort of lipstick or liquid lipstick, just to give it a little extra longevity. I overline my lips a little bit by the Cupid's bow, but I always meet back to my natural lip line towards the corners. Gives it more of a realistic pout, if you know what I mean. If you want to overline your lips, that's my trick. Then I'm going in with the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. And again, I don't know the shade! Underage Red. Once I finish my lips, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. Mwah!